ESG is really important, not just to RS. I think society as a whole is seeing the impacts of global warming and social impacts and disruption. So it's really key to us. And I think as you attract a younger generation of talent, they're very, very purpose driven and they want to connect to an organisation. So it can't be a tick box mentality. And our purpose of making amazing happen for a better world, it's really lived out in terms of our 4 goals. So we want to advance sustainability through our own operations, but developing products and solutions. We want to champion innovation and education. We want to empower our people and grow diverse teams. And also, we want to do business responsibly. Lots of people focus on the E. I think there needs to be more focus as well on the S and the G side of ESG.
We've definitely seen some skills shortages out there. I think ESG is a growing and a fledgling area, and we're seeing some skills shortages around ESG engineering, some of the technological support we need. We're also seeing some challenges around our supply chain and being able to bring in products. And we're also experiencing, like most companies, some challenge around working through our value chain and across our different partners and suppliers. But on the positive side, I think there are now many more incentives for businesses and customers to get more sustainable and be more sustainable, including the spiral energy costs, so focusing on reducing energy. But I also think we've seen a lot more technological advances to help create more effective solutions to support some of those initiatives to help reduce CO2 emissions, and that includes things like Internet of Things, sensors and digital twins to help data modelling and to help customers understand where they're using their energy and how they can reduce their energy.